Well, hello. Memorial Day weekend. I thought I'd share my vertical smoker, filing cabinet, wood chipper. It's about halfway through the cook. I was going to put a turkey in, but when I seen the price of the turkeys this weekend, I went ahead and got 3 whole chickens. This is my version of the beer can chicken smoke. 4-door filing cabinet. Now they say go ahead and put you a little spritz on your chicken to keep it moist. I went with maple syrup and water, considering that I'm using maple wood chips. Give it a little spritz. Shut her back. Give them a little spritz. A little seasoning on them. Looking good. Like I said, they've been about halfway done. Shut the drawers. Right now it's about 250. I started out this morning getting it up to about 300 and backed her down a little bit. Put me a little damper system down there. Of course, the wood chipper smokestack. Come on around. An upside down wood chipper on concrete blocks with a pants that slides in and out. And here's the Edie Briquettes and the New Bohemians smoking, burning good. Walk on around. Wanted to make sure that I maintained a good heat temperature. I added a dampering system at the top here off an old lawnmower, and you can open the holes up and let her smoke a little more if you want to. Kind of cools off the temperature a little bit inside, but right now it's holding at 225. Doing pretty good. But this is the vertical smoker that I made out of a filing cabinet and a wood chipper. I'll fire it back up the camera here a little later when the chicken's done. Happy Memorial Day weekend.